First, I'm going to start with the Pixie eye mask. Just like this. Be using some products from Tribe Beauty Boss. So this is a monthly subscription boss. It's retail for $34.99. Yeah, and you get like $100 worth of product in here. Boss, I'm going to be using the brow product, the beauty blender today. I did a mini Insta story of this brows. I used the what I call it, the Maybelline brow tattoo for my brows, and this will last for 3 days, but I think when you shower it comes off. For primer, I'm going to use the Dermalogica SPF 30 Skin Perfecting Primer. Apply a skin booster, bronzing booster, and this is by Nip and Fab. It's like a bronzing booster, supposed to make your skin glow. I'm going to take the Beauty Blender foundation, 4.30. I've done the review of this foundation. I'm sure going to link it up here on the video. Concealer, I'm going to use the Lash Tint Idol Ultra Wear Concealer, and I'll use the shade 10. Guys, I forgot that this concealer is full coverage. I think I've applied too much. Guys, this is a full face bit, like full face, full coverage to contour my face. Sacha Buttercup powder, I'm just going to bake it a bit. Brow product. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. So I'm just going to clean the brows in place. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on sorry guys, if my face is looking really light. I think let me dim the ring light. Anyway, I'm going to use the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. So guys, for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Pure Causemetics Out of the Blue eyeshadow palette. This palette, when you open it, it has a side. When you press the button, a light comes on. So you see, can switch it off, switch it on, which is really nice, mostly when you are doing your makeup in the dark. So, and the eyeshadows looks like this. I'm going to take this to find the outermost corner of the eyes. That shade is pigmented. Going to pat that. Just use tapping motion. I was not thinking of using glitter to do it. Take the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. I'm not going to be winging the eyes, just going to apply that. For my under eyes, I'm going to apply a black eyeliner. I also set my face and dust off this powder. I'll be using the Pure Cosmetic powder in the shade Golden Dark. This is a press powder with SPF of 15 and it's 4-in-1. Yeah.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.
So to remove the powder in face and to spray my face, I'm going to use this setting spray, Pure Cosmetic. Apply this mascara from Thrive Cosmetic. More lashes. Guys, to finish up my face for blush, I'm going to use this Out of the Blue palette from Pure Cosmetic. This also is like the eyeshadow. When you press the side, or sorry, when you press inside of it, there's a button right here. Sorry, there's a button right here. So when you press this button, the light comes on. Take the shade. Highlight my face. I'm going to use the new Illamasqua highlighter. I like the formula of Illamasqua highlighter. It's not chunky, it's not powdery, soft blend, wow, very fine on the face. Just spray the brush. This lip liner by Gerard Cosmetic. I'll take this lip gloss from Pure Cosmetic Out of the Blue collection with a mirror. It looks like this, really cute. And at the top you have a button right here. You press the button and the light comes on. How cute is that? On and apply lip liner from the Rat Cosmetic. I use the fill in the lip. To spray my face again. I actually like the final look, the completed look. It's not bad at all, but it took a little bit of challenge to get here. Like starting from the bottom, now we're here type of situation. Because it wasn't easy.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Okay guys, this is the final look. Guys, like this makeup tutorial. Let me know what you think about this look, and if you have any suggestion videos that you want us to do on this channel. And if you're not a subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button, and guys, put on your notification button. I'm uploading twice a week now, and if you want us to do it 3 times a week, I don't mind. I have a lot of videos to put out there. Okay, so guys, I just want to say stay safe. Like, be safe wherever you are. You know, the world is a crazy place. Just be safe, love yourself, do you always, guys. Like, you come first, like, you matter. Don't forget that. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.